Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on App Lock on WhatsApp. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now, look at the top right of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate the App Lock option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Unlock with Biometric option to confirm biometric and turn on App Lock instantly. View the 3 automatically lock options. The first option is immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. Choose the one you like, then show content and notifications, and select it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.